Hi Mark in County Down, it's Mark at FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser. It's all working as it should be. So basically what I've done for you is I've changed the laser. Okay, the laser was dead in yours. I've cleaned your cogs up and given it, just a quick clean over. It won't, I'll be honest with you, for the age of it, it's not actually in bad condition. It's in very, very good condition. So yeah, it's pretty good. So this part should actually last you, many, many years. Let me just turn it up for you so you can hear it. You can hear it playing there. You have to excuse it because it is quiet because I've got an amp problem on my unit. But that's your part there. And that's all working as of the 1st of May. So as soon as I get payment for that, Mark, I'll put your little name on there as well. So I'll put a name on there so you know it's yours. As soon as I get payment for that, I'll ship that out for you, special delivery. Thanks Mark, really appreciate it. Anything else you need, just give me a shout and I'll be more than happy to help. Obviously you've got a year's warranty on that. So yeah, any problems, just give me a shout. Cheers Mark.